Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? We are out here in Allentown, PA. We're going to check out the gun show out here, see what they got, if they got anything interesting that we want to purchase. Other than that, we're going to just pick up some ammo and different things like that, maybe some type of stock for the HK that we have. All right, man, let's go in here and see what it's looking like. I'll let y'all in a minute. Chilling, bro. How you making it today? What is looking like? You just doing the ammo out here today? Oh, over here. Oh, okay. All right. It's the first day for y'all, right? Today and tomorrow only? Okay. All right, cool.
Not this show, but Trevo. They need to make that in 3 days.
Yeah. That's what I don't think I've ever been here. Y'all always come here, right at this location?
This one, here, Trevo's, Allentown, Oaks.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
That is. It's a folding Caltech.
I was going to be worse off.
Yeah, I wanted that. Come over. I guess I should have taken this great one out. You don't want to know. Even now, after 3 years of this shit show, he still thinks this is a good idea? No. You cannot go near either one of his children. Yeah, I've been looking. I can't find anything, because I want minimum 10 acres. Where have you had your ammo? Yeah.
Just browsing for now. It's another Celtic, right? These prices. Price 6. I like this color. This will match my own. $350. $50. Long boy. I like a Daniel Defense, huh? Yeah. 230s, 230 mags. Oh, it's got the double mag. 7. It's even smaller. 600, 9 mil. This is sharp. Like that. This one. Same deal. I like this color. Just look a little longer. Okay, here we go. This is a 10 millimeter. Just a 10 millimeter right here. 260. How about that, y'all? It don't look so brickish to me no more. And they got a cutout here. You can put a optic. M&P. And I don't even carry it. 22 LR.
I was just.
Diamondback. 549. 556. This is handy. 32, 425. 32 ammo. Maybe hard to come by. Glock 17 Classic, 589. Glock 19, 3rd gen. 9mm Glock 26, 499. 44. 80. 80 ammo, 20 a box. 9mm Federal, 15 a box. 15 for the Winchester. Buckshot, 12 gauge, 410s. I need some 410s. That's what I need. $5.99. That's pretty. It's right here. On the price. It's different. Like this one. This is nice. This is a Glock. They handle really well. Which is a, you know, HKs, they make some good quality products.
Hey, are you back? I don't want you Russian.
I'm trying to think what else I needed. 5.7.
Say that one more time.
5.7 ammo. You have any 5.7?
5.7 by 28?
Yes, by 28.
2 boxes down in the front.
Oops. How much is that? 49?
It
Okay.
is, there are...
It's like 50 for
50
49.
rounds, I believe, in here.
All right, I'm gonna hold off. $259 Taurus. Sale price.
Yep. I didn't do it.
This is kind of compact. That's a good one. Oh, how about that right there? It's Rock Island. A 2-shooter. I'm gonna get me a 2-shooter. This one 220. This one 3. Maybe this used. I don't know. I like that. It's different. Free laser with purchase of handgun. Hand laser. $3.99 Remington. Big boy. $3.50. Big prices. Glock 19X.
Oh yeah,
Oh, that's kind of up there.
yeah. Tomorrow. Yep. Or tonight when she gets back. If it's too late. I'll probably be back by. Excuse me.
That's a 22. FN 509, 580. This is strong. $3.90. Like a banana. Oh. 22. That's a 9. That's short.
I wondered about that when she was sitting there. I didn't say nothing.
What's that?
I just kind of.
top lock, and then this just stretches over it for water protection.
Oh, okay, cool.
If we're gonna do like a hydration pouch or any of pouches that don't have the MOLLE compatible, these are just your grim locks.
Okay. Oh, you know what? I might want one of these too. You have Glock? You have Glock? Oh, here, go here. Mauser. Old school. Oh, you got the gold stuff in here, 1911s. AE. Gold. Those are nice, like Beretta or Gear song. GX4 9mm 299, G2C 259.
Semi-automatic. And this is a suppressor? No. Just like a barrel. Oh, it's just a barrel? Just a look. It just looks like a okay. Yeah, but much heavier than suppressor. It's very heavy. It looks like it can suppress, but not 9mm. No, you can take that off. This could take off. That's what you usually do.
This right here, man.
What?
What's that one?
226.
Let me see. That's a
No, this is a
Nine?
model 226, 9mm.
no. How much does it say?
$11.99.
This is nice. This feels good, man.
It's used now.
So what are they running new about?
This one they don't make new. It's made in Germany.
What's this one right here?
Oh, this is 2000, but this is a Pro Cut. This is a more like they have red dot,
For
they have
training.
flashlight, yeah. Tactical.
Tactical. This is nice too.
But this is the same, but this is much cheaper. Same font.
What's
brand is different.
The brand?
Yeah, just brand.
Oh, different brands. What's that one right there?
That's 6 hours.
Oh, that's the SIG. And this one?
This Miss Western is like $900, the same. You see?
What brand is this one?
This what they call the Gerson.
Oh, I like your sign though. Yeah.
Turkey.
Yeah, Turkey Jones. I like your sign. I like the cuts on here. And you said this was 6?
This is, it was much higher.
And oh shoot, this is heavy. PTR 9. Wow, this is nice, man. Dang. For $22.99, PTR 9. That's a little. I mean, that's about what the price is, but this is really nice. For $400. This one $549. PSA had that for $4. I seen this on PSA site for $400 on sale right now. But this is the regular price, but now it's on sale for $400. That's nice, right? Come just like that too. I might have to get that on the site. Yeah.
Yeah, just sleeping the last 3 or 4 years. 84 is always
Yeah. I don't know. This one, the weight's here, and the other one, the weight's on top.
Have a hard time racking it?
Would I have one?
Load the mag, put your first round in there, you're ready to go.
It's got a safety, and he popped that up. So you can load it here.
People that have a hard time
Racking, yeah. And then you just put
Some
them in
women
here.
don't have the hand strength.
Yeah.
Some guys, they might have
Something going on,
arthritis or
right?
had a stroke.
And it's a 380.
These are all 380s here.
Okay.
Well, that's a 32, that old Beretta. I had a lot of people tell me.
420? Wow. High point 45 millimeter, 159. It must be used. You get a gun for $159, man. Look at these. Shoo. $5.69. This is beautiful. Ooh. My goodness. Need to go up some more. That's beautiful. Oh my God. A few scopes. Prices. On the run and hide in meal packs. And safes. This one.
It's better to go.
When you paid for the other one, isn't it?
It wouldn't be right if you don't add in a little bit of knives, especially with the patriotic flags on them. What the f? Oh, look at that. Cut your guts up right there. Look at these little pinchers. You gotta be a mean dude to use one of these on somebody. Beat them up with the knuckles and then hit them with that.
Okay.
I seen a lot of the people working here eating. They might have got some free grub over here. I don't know. All the lasers, optics. I needed another optic for something. Can't remember. Oh, I need the optic for 5.7. Uncle Henry's.
I know that most of the time they do come up.
Alright, got some footage out here. Got a bag. Got some ammo. Some more ammo inside the bag. And we are out of here. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will holler at you guys on the next one. Birds.